Yeah, y'all, we back. Buffed Up TV in the house. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for notification. Can the Buffs recreate the air raid of Jackson State University? Let's talk about it. So the Buffs have a bona fide pro at quarterback in Shedeur Sanders, who can lead the team to the Big 12 championship game. However, we know a few things must align before that happens. Pat Shurmur's offense can't average 20.2 points per game like they did at the end of last season. Now listen, I know we got some weapons. I know we got Shedeur. I know we got a new offensive line and a revamped defense as well. However, the scheme has to fit. Coach Prime emphasizes the urgency of winning now, and Shedeur has reverted to his business haircut look, reminiscent of his record-setting days at Jackson State in 2022. During that season, Sanders threw for 40 TDs, 344 completions, amassing 3,752 passing yards. However, at JSU, Sanders thrived in Brett Bartolone's air raid offense, which averaged 37.7 points per game. This scheme played to Shedeur's strengths, spreading defenses and attacking mismatches all over the field. Notably, the Tigers also rushed for 1,900 yards that season, so it's pretty balanced. So to replicate that success, Shurmur will need to draw from his 2017 Minnesota Vikings playbook, where the Vikings ranked in the top 10 in several NFL stats. They were tied for first with 4 rushing touchdowns on opening possessions and ranked second with 9 scores, 4 rushing touchdowns and 5 field goals on opening drives. With the upgrades on both sides of the ball, the Buffs have the potential to recreate this high-powered offense and make a strong push for the championship. If Shurmur can harness the explosive potential of Shedeur and the rest of the Buffs offense, while also maintaining a balanced attack, Colorado could very well recreate this dynamic. So, ain't nothing to it but to do it, people. We're going to see what Pat Shurmur gives him, but I believe he's going to give Shedeur the freedom to do what he does best. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And I'm out. Peace.
Not just to be successful, to win it all. That's the way we think. We didn't just bring you in here to just compete. We brought you in here to dominate. Am I right or wrong? Is there anything about me, any sense of life that I give you that I'm not here to dominate? We're not just here to win. We're here to dominate. I don't like to question what you think the record gonna be. Well, shoot, I really want to say we're gonna win it all, because that's the way I think. But that gets controversial. Then I put y'all on the hook. And I don't know if y'all built for that right now. We're going through the summer to see if you built for that. Who built for it? Who built for it? Now, who built to ride with me? Who built to get with me? Who built to talk that talk and walk that walk? Who is built like that?